Alright everyone, welcome this evening. Thank you for stopping by though. Welcome to MTG Cards and Reviews. As I mentioned or hinted at a couple of times, I do have one of the Crimson Vow Innistrad set boosters that I'm going to be opening up here. And we're going to take a look though and see what we can find in this set here. And we're going to go ahead and get started though. This is going to be kind of a series though for me. So do expect that we will be taking our time going and looking through some of the cards though. And also this will be over a few videos though as well. Plus the other thing is that we are it is kind of late when I'm starting this though, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time here. So we've got our packs here, and we're going to go ahead and grab I think 6 packs at the start of this though, and we'll open those up. And then of course we've got the basically the set or booster topper boxer thingy, and we'll see what that gives us though as well. Now of course, as a few people basically commented though on opening these up though or getting to them, that basically the glue that was used has made the experience of trying to get into the topper quite of a challenge. So you know what we're going to do here? I'm going to cheat. Yep, that's right. I'm going to go ahead and just cut right along here because I've felt where the card is at, and then it's not anywhere near there. Otherwise I would have stopped. Get rid of that, and then we're just going to pull the card out, and that way we won't have a problem. Okay, so that's going to be what we've got on the back side of the holder. I'm going to set that over back on top though, and we're going to take a look, see what we've got. Well, it's nice shiny foil. We got Harker's Journal as an artifact clue. And right, good. It is of course a rare. I will take that. We like that, as one of the other YouTubers likes to say though, or I think it actually is. I think Underworld Games says we like those. Indeed, we do. Foil mythics though, of course, would be the ideal one. Okay, so let's take a look and see what else we got. Alright, there's our art card and our lands. Okay, I got a Heroine Blessed Geist. Zoom in here a little bit, make sure you guys can see. Nebrogast Beguiler, yeah, there we go. Supernatural Rescue, a Griff Rider, and then we've got our Honeymoon Hearse. Imagine showing up to that in your wedding. Alright. Now, come back here. Why don't you guys take a look. Think about showing up to your wedding in this contraption here. What do you think? Tell me how you'd feel. You think what kind of ride this would be and how comfortable it might be. A Groom's Finery, and we've got a Desperate Farmer, Now we've got our dormant grove. Alright. What do we got next here? And we got a common. We've got our Voldarian Epicure. And we got a rare. We got Olivia's Attendants. Okay. What else do we come up with? Common foil. Hunger Ridge Wolf. And we got looks like we got a list card. We got an uncommon list card here. Song of Freyalaz from DOM. I think is that Dominary? Let me know. I think it is though. I could be wrong. So list card, not too bad. All right, we'll move on to our next pack though. And I just realized that I will need to come up with a thumbnail. Alright, now, got a couple of ideas, so I'll work on that later. Alright, so what do we got? We got our art card, land, we got the wedding invitation, we got a vampire slayer. Gotta have somebody who can get rid of them. Piercing lights. It's a guardian's imprisonment. Witness the future. Target player shuffles up to 4 target cards from their graveyard into their library. You look at the top 4 cards of your library. Then you put one of those cards into your hand and the rest on the bottom of your library in a random order. Ah, very interesting. Great way to bring some of your cards back from your graveyard back into your deck though, and potentially finding a different card to play though. Thirst for discovery. Draw 3 cards, then discard 2 cards unless you discard a basic land card. Okay. And we've got our Fognorath Celebrants. What do we got next here? In common, we got Markov Purifier. We got a rare. We have Hollow Hinge Overlord Wolf. Oops, sorry, you might not have been able to see that. There we go. Get another rare. We have the Welcoming Vampire. Okay. We got a foil uncommon. We got the Bloodsworn Squire. And get another list card. Okay. Witch Stalker. Looks like Core 14. Right. Okay. So another list card and nice hit there. Alright. Next pack. Get that open here. So, how's everyone doing this day, though, whenever this goes live? Okay, now this looks like probably the art card for Sigardian's Imprisonment. Then indeed it is. We will be, I managed to, once I get all the art cards together, I will probably do a review of those. I need to get the review done of the Forgotten Realms one as well. That'll be coming at some point here down the road as well. We've got our Darnheart Disciple, Daybreak Combatants, Kessig Flame Breather, Alright. Yeah, so if you see me pausing here to read the card though, that happens to be the fact that my eyesight is not what it used to be though. And certain times of the day, certain angles though, and type print does make it a bit harder though for me to read. So this looks like it's a braid. We've got a cartographer's survey. We have ancient lumber knot, tree folk. Yeah. Oh, good old tree folk. We've got our restless bloodseeker. Fearful villager. Blood hypnotist. Hypnotist. Okay. A vampire. Got a rare next. Thalia, Guardian of Therbrin. Alright. What do we got in here? Got a common foil card. Nature's Embrace. Ah, we got another list card. Whoa! Oh, what do we got here? We have Light of the Day. Black creatures cannot attack or block. I believe that symbol is from his Tempest. Okay, well, hey, 3 list cards in 3 packs. Can't go wrong with that though, but would like to see a little more, you know, of the bigger hits though on the other hand, or one of the big hits on the list though. Alright, here's our art card. This looks like our Olivia Crimson Bride. And we got our Planes. Every time I think of Planes, the movie that comes to mind. Not these planes, you know, planes on, you know, the planes, but the planes that fly in the sky. Anyone ever watch Planes, Trains, and Automobiles? Well, if you haven't, it is, in fact, been playing past couple of days. It's been on TV, though, at least where I'm at. Diagraph Scavenger. Oh, no, that's no longer a new card. What's a plate card? Alright, we got a Siphon Essence. Yeah, so, yeah, if you've seen the movie, alright, then let me know. If you haven't seen it, well, you should watch it. It got old John Candy in there, and I can't think of the other guy's name, though. It is actually quite funny, though. We got a Stitched Assistant. Yeah, pass on the Stitched Assistant. Repository Scab. Markov Waltzer? Yeah. Markov Waltzer. Try saying that. Alright, and then we got the Markov Purifier to go with the Waltzer. We got the Parasitic Grasp. Yeah. That's not something attractive. Blood Petal Celebrant. Okay. The Gluttonous Guest. And another rare. Oh, we got one of the lands. Hey, okay. The Sun Down Pass. It gives us one of the land cycles here. We got a rare foil this time. Okay, we've got Tauren's Fist of Angels. Tauren's Fist of the Angels. Legendary creature. Human cleric. Nice foil card there. And we got our blank token. Or, as I call it, the disappointment card. It's not really something, I mean, you can make it anything you want, but it's not really a card, though. Okay. one more pack after this though, and then we will be basically breaking for the night. I have to work in the morning, and so we'll pick up then. Alright, so we got some land here, another beautiful card. We've got a Self-off Entomber, Chill of the Grave, Fear of Death, or Fear of Death, Scattered Thoughts. Yeah. Hey, that sounds like me at times, though. Just to throw this out here, of course, though, just to make mention here, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, basically ring the bell for notification, though. I'm boarded window. I think this flips over if I recall right. Nope. Okay, well, that's fine, though. Alright, we've got our Diver Scab. Okay, we've got our Bloodsworn Squire. Okay. And then Weary Prisoner. Right, Human Werewolf. Alright. Next card's a common. Oh, it does flip over though. From the Weary to the Wrathful Jailbreaker. So we got a 2/6 on this side. When he gets out of prison, comes the Jailbreaker. It's a 6/6. Okay, we've got our. This is our belligerent guest. We've got a rare here. We've got the Lantern Flare. Okay. Yeah, foil common. We've got our Flourishing Hunter. Mates. Yeah, we'll get another list card here. Okay. We have the Molder Vine Reclamation from Core 20. Okay. Alright. Final pack of this segment here. And then we'll be back another point with another set or segment there. And got some other things coming in though that we'll probably be looking at though. I've got some stuff that hopefully for the right, yeah, that, tell me that isn't a kind of a spooky or creepy art card. There we go. Alright, so we've got the Parasitic Grasp in the art card. Now I'm going to try, I've heard some various things, but I'm going to at least try to get a hold of one of the upcoming double feature boxes though. And then we've got our Gluttonous Guest. Okay. We've got our Belligerent Guest. Blood Portal Celebrant. Or Blood Petal Celebrant. Okay. Courier Bat. We've got the Oldenbach Escort. The Sigardian Paladin. Alright, I like that card though. Clouded. We got a clouded or a cloaked cadet. Okay. Right. And we got Markov Waltzer. And we got our Voldarian Epicure. And another rare, Concealing Curtains. And right, and I know that flips over to give us the Revealing Eye. So you know what we haven't seen, I don't recall. Oh, we got a foil Evolving Wilds. Man, that's gotta be worth at least, you know, $30 though. It's gotta be a hit there. Especially when we got the disappointment card in the background. Alright. Well, so just a quick recap here though. We got lots of rares out of these first 6 though. No mythics. We did get 4 list cards out of 6 though, and of course we got the Harker's Journal from the box topper in foil. So, all right, well, guys, thanks for joining though. Glad I could share this with you here. Opening these up though. I'm gonna go ahead and put these away, clean up though, and then basically I will spend the time tomorrow though working on actually sleeving those, and then we'll be back again with the next segment of opening up basically packs as well, and for this set though. So thanks for joining, guys. Have a great day, stay safe, don't forget, like I said, let me know what you think, share, subscribe. I do expect to do some other things here though. Just trying to sort things out here. Alright, so I will probably do that now. So that way it's both safer and out of the way. But hey, thanks for going. I do appreciate it. Have a great day.